Hello everybody! Today I've got a little vintage Micronta device. Most everybody that watches my channel knows that I like gardening, and this is a handy little tool to have. It's a moisture and light detector. And the scale is simply 0 to 10. The lower the scale, the less water and the less light is available. Catalog number is 63-685. So it simply has a detachable probe for the moisture, and then this photocell here to detect how much light. And it's simply, if you want to check the light, put it on light. If you want to check the moisture of the soil, put it on moist. Let's see how it works. And as you might be able to see, it's going about 4, 5, 6 somewhere. And then I can turn off the lamp. It goes down. How about that? That works. Well, let's check the moisture content of my soil here. I have a couple of plants. One looks drier than the other. So I'll simply flip that over to the moisture. And let's see here. Stick the probe in the soil. And I've got nothing. So that's a fail on that. I wonder if I can see what's wrong with it and get it going again. Looks like it has one Phillips screw in there. So we'll go to the other camera and get on to the repair portion of this project. I've got a suspicion that the wire is broken. Take the screw out and figure it out. I won't know unless I try. Alright, it's got a strain relief around the post where the screw goes in, which looks like it's not much longer for this world. It's got a date code of 2A4. Could be 1984. Looks about that era. And what do we have here? A broken blue wire. That blue wire attached to that probe. So, what if I reconnect this wire? Will that fix it? There it is. So let's see. Do a quick test here. I think that fixed it. So let's get it back together and do a proper demonstration. Go ahead and reassemble this. All appears to be in good shape. Put that screw back in. Very gently. Now let's continue with the demonstration. I have two pepper plants here. One, the soil looks drier than the other. I think everything's in view. Let's probe this soil here. Yep, that one's pretty dry. It barely registers. Let's put this one in. See, that one's in pretty good shape. About halfway. Number 4, between 4 and 5. So that one's in decent shape. So I need to water this plant. And then I can double check my light. Got a little bit of light. If you're doing a indoor planting or something, it's a good way to check your light output to make sure the plants are getting sufficient light. These are not, so I don't have a proper grow light to keep these alive during the wintertime. So just have to do the best I can. Right now I'm leaving them outside during the day and bringing them in at night if the temperature is below freezing. So once again, this has been a look at my Micronta moisture and light detector for plant growth. Thank you for watching.